Pagdana Mala a choki, no a choki, Pagdana Quasamela, Yishi, no Tachuta Sa, Yiway, no Pagdana Mala, Tudabalo, Kurala, Tu Normini, no Pagdana Mala, Tetamila Nagasa, Crinibala, no Nagasa Cre, Pagdana Mala, Kribatic Parala Tabu, no Ledala Cleokabumano. Once you are sick, don't worry. Pray to Jesus, okay? And think about it in your heart. Pray to Jesus. Jesus will be healing to you. I guarantee 100%. Because us, we know exactly something. Sometimes we traveling, okay? We traveling. We have problem, okay? We have problem. We want to go somewhere or want to go to the hospital, whatever you can go. But think about it, okay? Feelings better is come to God. Feeling better is come to God, okay? I'm a guarantee 100%. One day, think about it today. I want to read for you the Bible a little bit. No, yeah, pani tu liso sheet come no. Tu me soki megi, tu me makova kemegi, no. Sukumolo tu taumupune, face no pa tu taumupu lo kasakrio, okay. Look it to the Jesus. Look it to the Jesus. Okay. Later kora tu ka atasuda saka blagi loti los no. No pain it porque bakala pomu pulo a thirga do pomu tegala a sathilo tega no. The woman, the decker and the sick woman. No, when it pomula pagterma no a thirga pomula a sathilo a vehicle no pero te no pain it overall ya patili winim no ya quello patili sicolo. While he was saying this, the ruler came and kneeled before him and said, "No, pagkitera mala, no pa kona, no, tika Jesu o no, Jesu o oda. Let no kota no, let no kota hello, no. Yes, you can like, no. Let no kota pagkitera mano, pakrotinya." La patamu po no pakratinya la patamu po pakamadile pakaledile pakomudile agi klune no okay the woman said here about the okay Nilian and said my daughter has just died no yeah pagter mala my daughter have just died no yeah pagter mano yeah pomune no akathitiro just have died no ye phumune no akathitiro letter no khota ro ni pakra pasu pasa le phay no bus cam and put your hand on her no he do palana sula apoko no just come no and then put your hand to her no letter no khota ro ba thinya la pa Pokemon, she will live, no, awake a moody mono, she will live. Jesus got up and went with him, and so did his disciple, no. Do you remember this? Everything you call Jesus, Jesus coming immediately, okay? Jesus never stop. Jesus love people. Jesus love everyone. This means Jesus wants our people healing, okay? Jesus want our people should be okay. This means Jesus immediately, Jesus get went with him, and so did his disciple. They going, okay? Just then, the woman who has been subject to the bleeding for 12 years came up behind him and the top tossed the can up, tossed the edge of his cloth. No, the woman coming behind him. This woman is bleeding 12 years ago. Not 12 years ago. Okay, this means very painful. you are sick 12 years, very painful. When you go to the hospital, you lose money. Where you go to the someone else, you lose money. Okay, you lose your property, everything. But this woman is decided by herself. Okay, we understand about the before. Okay, we understand about the before. You people, the woman is as not cannot touch the man's clothes. This is a very important thing. But okay, this woman said to herself, if I only toss his cloth, I will be healed. All right. If I read for you again, if I only toss his cloth, I will be healed. Right? လက်တရခုတော့တေဝရပမှုနေနော်အဝတရယမေထောဘအခုအစုနေနော်အဝဲပကတဲ့မှာလာအရကဘလကီလောနော်အဝေ be here ရကဘလကီလော all right Jesus turned and saw her ဖဲနေတော့ကစခရခကဒါကီတာတော့တီ on him take heart daughter နော် take her daughter နော်အဝဲနေတော့ပကတဲ့မှာလာအဝဲတဲရလဲ no when he said okay my daughter Jesus called the lady my daughter what do you think about this is a very humble right this is a good thing right Jesus called you how about my son this is a better thing okay I like to someone call me my son but I like to call someone to little kids just like my son all right this is a better very humble. Okay, the woman called the little kids, right? This means Jesus called the lady my daughter. He said, your faith has healed you, right? Your faith, because of your faith, okay? Do you think about the sometime the pastor preaching to you? Not exactly. Sometimes the pastor is not faithful with the Holy Spirit because by yourself you have to think about by yourself you should be have the faith you have faith you can touch the lady you can touch speak to the God okay to Jesus and then immediately you will see the vision you can see vision too okay I guarantee you can see vision that God told you in the dream sometime all right exactly we know exactly about the Bible talk about the God talking with people how many things in the dream right one thing right this thing is the you know about the Bible why you should have to do you think about it this is a faith here no the Jesus said to the lady your faith has healed you because of your faith okay your faith is healing you now this is very powerful and the woman was healed from the moment right the woman healed for the moment sit down in no the two color no pomune aware no pomune aware I'm sorry brother because I speak Korean and English okay this mean is that my people can understand about the Korean language this means they will be understand later than they will be has more faith or they will be get it the salvation and this is grateful for me that's why I speak Korean and English okay sorry about that then the pain when Jesus entered the ruler the house and saw the flutes players and the noising crowd panic session hello su bagideno mala hello su awetiwera pamu hello su pa kupana gane hipu ruler hipu ne awetiwera pa upi pa upi the where tiwera ata thokala no pago muti pa Rising, he said, go away. Jesus said to the crowd, go away. No, go away. Okay, the girl is not dead, but sleep. Not sleep. because always we are in the Jesus Christ, we die. Always Jesus talking sleep. You know that Lazarus died 4 days ago. Jesus said, I will go and wake him up. Is it exactly? Do you think about that? This is truth? It's not truth. I don't believe sometimes. Maybe I believe. I confusion a little bit about this happening. Okay, Jesus say the girl is not dead but sleeping. Okay, the girl is sleeping. Right? Go away. Maybe people laughing. Right? Exactly. Here. Okay, but they laughed at him. Right? Is it the people laughed Jesus, right? After the crown has been put outside, he went in and took the girl by the hand, and she get up, knew of the spirits through all the region. Oh, it's amazing, right? Here, Jesus go and touch her, and then express, okay, and then the lady is get up. Imagine them. I don't understand about the Jesus doing very well. Okay, somebody call, come into my house. Somebody call, please sir, only speak, only telling my servant will be healed. Oh, this is more faithful. All right, more faithful. Master, come into my house. This is a faithful too. Okay, someone bring the crippled man. Oh, Jesus see, they have faith. Jesus healing. Okay, Jesus walking with the dead. Jesus see the dead man and his mother crying. Jesus see, very, very peaceful. Jesus said, don't cry. Don't cry. Okay, don't cry, woman. Okay, and then he called the man. He said, get up. And then the man get up, he give it to the mom. This is a great thing too. I read a Bible a lot of things. I see the great thing Jesus doing. Jesus never asked money. Jesus never asked for help. Okay, Jesus only just giving and then doing something exactly about that. No, let that look up a thing yalla patamopula pacamara nilo. Crepopatu patala patamopula. Way name it alla ta letol or tama that did pa le patamopu do pacrola thing yara panapo no tasuta sa mibapwa temimigi takwata ke mibapwa temimigi a redo turning pacalele casayua oh no. Pa o ka ti te mi ne pa ka le ka sa yo o pa ka khira le ka sa yo no pa ka le ka sa yo khi ba ti pa da le ka sa yo no ka sa kri no pa khira le ka sa kri no ka sa kri te ne no tu mi khita le je mi te tu mi khita le je mi ne ye ke he ye pa na ye ka khi ne ta le je pa o lo ye pa khi lo tu lo le ta ne ho ta ro ne pa ka pu ple lo mu ko li ta le so do da to ti pa le pa ta mu bu ne lo no. I know you know about a lot of Bible. Okay, think about it. I'm writing to you in the below is the Bible verse. Okay, in the only just small thing, you will read it back. Okay, Matthew chapter 9, verse 18 to 26. This happening from the and the Jerusalem. Do you know what? Very powerful, very powerful. Understand about that Jesus doing the miracle. Okay, thank you so much to watching. I will see you later again. Now next tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow again. Okay, I will read another Bible first. All right. Just simply to do malo no. Come sit in it all. Baka pagado li so shi te kagado malo. Let no kodara crop patu patalo but down no. Let no kodara no. Let no kodara pakro patu patalo but tapitama punilo no. I read the Bible because I want people all in the nation, so we understand about the Bible. The Bible is give you peaceful, okay? You never kill, you never hateful, you never doing such a thing. This is great for you, great for me, great for every person, okay? I will see you tomorrow. I tell it again. Bye bye. See you next time.